All right, look how high the creeks are here. If we get heavy rain, we're going to have some flooding issues going into next week, especially with warmer temperatures and a lot of snow melt. This here flows through Paradise Creek, downtown Pullman, and it's very heavily rushing South Fork of the Palouse River here. We'll be monitoring over the next week or so for hydrologic concerns. Very high water here. It's only about 2 feet from overflowing. Very close to up here. Look how high the water is over here. If it comes up just a few more feet, it's going to come up over these banks and flood this whole area. So that's if we get more rain on top of the melting snow with warmer temperatures. So you can see it flows underneath this hotel that's here. So definitely don't want the water getting too high.